Tips and advice for those interested in affiliate marketing. If you're interested in an extra source of income in these hard economic times, then you've probably heard of affiliate marketing. If you create quality content online, then you will attract readers and generate profits through affiliate ads. This video contains several useful tips to guide you through how to do just that. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, search for companies that offer front-end as well as back-end commissions. This will allow you to earn multiple commissions from each customer that you refer to the affiliate company's site, and allow you to develop a long-term relationship with your affiliate company. Make sure that you like and trust the product you are asking your audience to click on. If you are heavily promoting items that are not good or spamming your page with every type of program imaginable, people will stop coming. It's your repeat visitors that will make or break you. Don't lose their trust in you. At the least, you should annually perform focus groups with customers and site visitors. Focus groups give you a chance to see your audience and their physical reactions to your products or services. You may find that focus group members also have terrific new ideas that you would have never thought of on your own. If you have a rapport with the people who visit your website, you can boost the performance of affiliate marketing by making personal endorsements. This does not work for all webmasters. If you run the kind of site where visitors get to know and trust you, though, your visitors may respond well to an honest endorsement from you. The best advertisers you can get in affiliate marketing programs will do lots of work to help you help them. Many affiliates have integrated creative resources, unified advertising designs, pre-written copy and other ready-made tools you can use. Affiliates enjoy the consistency of message these resources give them. You can make use of the time they save you to concentrate on other parts of your website. There are thousands, possibly millions of affiliate sites all over the web. The only way you will make yours stand out and truly become successful is to create honest, interesting and quality content that will attract readers over and over again. Make sure to follow the tips in this video, in order to maximize results and achieve great success with affiliate marketing. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.